Hi, I'm Anoosha. I make beauty related content. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I am going to be reviewing Moskina Moisturizer. This is fragrance free and this cream is for repairing skin, moisturizing and soothing of the skin. It retails for around 300 for 100 grams of product. I did show this product in my recent haul also. So I started using this product at night time. Coming to the texture of this product, this has very interesting texture. It feels like some moisturizing lotion, and it has also got some oiliness to it. It is more rich and emollient, but when you spread it, it spreads easily and it will get absorbs well into the skin. Now coming to the ingredients of the product, it has got liquid paraffin like the Aqua Oat Moisturizer. It is a very good occlusive. Then we have couple of silicones and we have glycerin, which is a good humectant. After a couple of other ingredients, we have Ceramide 3, which is common ceramide found in most of the ceramide based products. So the main ingredients are paraffin and silicones, glycerin, and they have used a small amount of ceramide also. Yeah, ingredients wise it is a decent product, formulation wise it is a decent product, and when I apply it onto the skin, generally I apply a little bit of more moisturizer at night time to keep my skin hydrated and moisturized throughout the night. But when I do the same thing with this moisturizer, I have open pores around my nose. It is aggravating them. Actually, a product cannot shrink or expand your pores. What I meant to say is, if you are using good products that suit your skin, you can keep the appearance of pores in control. And if some product is not that much suiting you, or if you are not maintaining them properly, the appearance may increase. They look more prominent. That's what I meant to say. When I am using this product, they are looking more prominent, and my oily and my T-zone is getting more oily than usual. So if the days are very cold outside and I am taking a little bit of this product, then I am not facing those kind of issues. But if the temperature is normal and I am using the regular amount of moisturizer how I normally use, then it is aggravating my open pores and it is making my skin look, especially my T-zone, look oily. But it did not give me any breakout. That is very good thing about this moisturizer. So if you have like dry skin and if you don't have open pore issues, then you may like this product. If you have open pore issues, then this may aggravate them, and if you have oily skin also, you may feel that your oily T-zone is producing more oil than usual. So I have observed those two things about this moisturizer, but still I can do away with this moisturizer. I can use this on days that are very cold outside, and that times I can use this product. So it is not completely a miss for me. But is it the best moisturizer I have ever used? No. But it is a decent product, and if I have to repurchase this, then I may consider repurchasing this also. So I like this product. It's not that I am hating this product, or it's not that it is a wow product and I like this product very much. It's not like that. It's somewhere in middle. So I can use this product. It's not bad. If you have dry skin and if you are looking for a good quality moisturizer, you can definitely give this product a try. Yeah, that's a quick review of Moskina Moisturizer. If you like this video, please give it a like. Also share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.